In this video, I will guide you through on how to add polygon in Adobe Acrobat. It's very quick and simple. All you have to do is follow along. So before starting, I would like to inform a little disclaimer. Due to some technical issue, you will not be able to see the toolbar, although all you have to do is work into the toolbar. But you don't have to worry at all, because I will be guiding you through each and every step. All you have to do is just follow through and you'll be able to do it. So the first ever thing is that you have to go for the toolbar. I hope you'll be able to get the toolbar. Go to the toolbar, and usually this option of making polygon is at the fourth. Let's tap into the fourth icon, or just to make sure, once you tap into the icon, it should give you this drop down menu of all the shapes, so that you'll be sure that this is what you'll be working with. So let's look for the polygon option. Click into the polygon, and all you have to do is drag and wait. You have to make a polygon, right? Okay, you can make a polygon just like that. Yeah, so this is basically, you have to draw it by yourself. I just messed it around, messed this up a little bit, but no worries. You can also change the thickness, like going all the way bottom of the toolbar and adjusting the slider like this. Yeah, you can also change the color by again going to the toolbar and going to this option that says choose a circle. It's usually tapping there. Let's make it light green. Okay, so this is basically how you add polygon in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking our video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.